Have you ever wondered what makes October 2nd so special? It's International Walk to School Day, encouraging kids to be active. National Name Your Car Day, so get creative with your car's name. World Farm Animals Day, honoring our farm friends. It's also Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, celebrating peace and wisdom. National Pumpkin Seed Day, perfect for fall snacks. Don't forget National Kale Day, a salute to this superfood. National Fried Scallops Day for seafood lovers. Lastly, it's the International Day of Non-Violence. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Thanks for watching.